Boeing Chinook helicopter. It is the most iconic helicopter in the world. Its name comes from a Native American tribe named Chinook. The development of the Chinook began in 1958 and it took the first flight in 1961. The Chinook has been powered by a pair of Honeywell T55 engines. 22 countries fly the Chinook helicopter. The Chinook is the only helicopter to be produced in 1960s and still in service 50 years later. The Chinook is also considered as the world's fastest military helicopter. Chinook is designed to carry 36 passengers. However, there was a report that once Chinook carried 147 refugees. Chinook once also carried Mahindra Thar to Kedarnath to ferry pilgrims. Thanks for watching. Vande Mataram.